the smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn about backwards counting 20 till 1. Objectives of the lesson are students will be able to count numbers 20 till 1 backwards. Write numbers 20 till 1 in backwards sequence. Children, did you enjoy backwards counting? I really enjoyed. It was fun to count numbers in backward sequence, starting from the bigger number and coming to the smallest number. For example, starting from 20, coming to 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In backwards counting, we start from the bigger number and minus one number from each number and coming to the smallest number. Aeroplanes and rockets also use numbers to count down before their takeoff, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children, let's do some more practice of backwards counting. Let's count together. Start with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now it's your turn to count numbers in backward sequence. Start from 20. Let's do some more practice of backwards counting. Take out your green boards and practice backwards counting 20 till 1 on your green boards. It's time to do some writing assignment. Let's recall the things we need to remember while doing written work. Write date and day. Write numbers 20 till 1 in backward sequence. Color the pictures. Take out your smart number workbook, page number 2, and write numbers in backward sequence 10 till 1. On page number 32 of Smart Number Workbook, write numbers in backward sequence 20 till 1. Be careful about the number formation. In your math notebook, write backwards counting 20 till 1 with correct number formation. Let's revise what we have learned. In this lesson, we have learned to count numbers in backward sequence, write numbers 20 till 1 backwards with correct number formation. See you in the next class with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.